Okay, this is a problem that I think it's really important to understand how the process works. I've got 5 of these that I've set up here in Chapter 1, and this all deals with how the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity, how all these things work together from one year to another year, and how you should be able to find any unknown piece if you're given the rest of these pieces. So we're looking for one unknown piece, which in this case, in this one, it's liabilities, when you're given all the rest of these pieces. So let's see if we can work this. If you start with what happened at the beginning of the year, which this is December 31st, 2008, this is really the same thing as January the 1st, 2009. So this problem really spans over 1 year. It goes from the beginning of 2009, or 12/31/2008, to the end of 2009. So from beginning to end of 2009. So let's plug in what we know. We know that the assets were 30,000. That's G for given. We know that the liabilities were 24,600. That was given also. And we can find owner's equity by taking the difference. So owner's equity, which is computed, is 5,400, and that's again at the end of 2008, or you might say at the beginning of 2009. Now, during 2009, the following things happened, and these things will be combined with the beginning owner's equity to find out what's happening at the end down here. So during 2009, the owner invested $6,000. That would be increasing owner's equity. The owner had net income of $6,950, which would be again an increase to owner's equity. And the owner withdrew $3,500, which would be a decrease to owner's equity. And when you take these pieces, these 3 things that affected owner's equity, and combine them with the beginning owner's equity, you will get the ending owner's equity. So the ending owner's equity is just 5,400 plus 6,000 plus 6,950 minus 3,500, or the ending owner's equity at 12/31/2009 is going to be 14,850. Okay, remember all along we're looking for this. We're looking for this liability, and now we know owner's equity at the end of the year. We were given assets at the end of the year, which was 33,000. And the difference between these two will give us what we're looking for, the unknown, which would be liabilities at the end of the year, which in this case would be 18,150. That's a very important kind of problem to understand. And whether I made the unknown, assets or owner's equity or any of these things, you should be able to find it based on this kind of a process.